Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today my husband is gonna prepare chow mein. This is really gonna be very amazing.
Here are the list of ingredients.
So let's start by chopping the veggies. Here we have onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, green chili, carrot, red, yellow, green capsicum, and beans. You may also add cabbage. We keep all the veggies ready before start to cook. Let's start cooking. We will add some oil. Adding ginger, garlic, and onion. We need to fry till it half done. Now adding green chili. Now is the time to add other chopped vegetables. Wow, it looks so colorful. So veggies are half cooked. We'll now add garam masala, which is optional, just to add an Indian chow mein taste. And salt. It's time to prepare sauce. So we have added here green chilli sauce, red chilli sauce, vinegar, and soya sauce. By the time veggies are ready, we need not to overcook these veggies. We'll add some amount of sauce to the veggies at this stage and keep the remaining to be added later. And now mix it well once. We had already boiled noodles and kept it ready to be added at this stage. So it's time to add noodles. We'll mix the veggies and noodles and then add the remaining sauce. And mix it well finally. So there we go. Delicious chow mein are ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and